Hi, I'm Caitlin, Executive Chef of Greywind Restaurant in Hudson Yards.
I'm Dan Kluger, owner of Greywind Restaurant in Hudson Yards. We are a seasonal American restaurant. It was somewhat inspired by Hudson Valley Country House meets a makeover. That's sort of the design of it. And the food was somewhat similar in that we've been inspired by local seasonal American food that we typically cook, but I think this restaurant has maybe a little more attention to detail. So when we start thinking about recipe development, we are looking at the seasons, we're looking at the farmer's market, we're thinking about things that maybe are reminiscent of childhood or favorite classics or just something from our travels.
So we actually make a red curry with butternut squash. Like Chef said, we start with the seasons. So we were just into winter and we knew we wanted to use some butternut squash or koginut squash or one of those really flavorful winter squashes. And what can we do that's really us and really fun? So we actually used the squash as a base for a curry using some of your traditional aromatics and spices, but with our spin on it. We love meez because it allows us to create consistency on a daily level with our recipes. It also allows us to have less human error when it comes to math, because we all know how frustrating math can be, especially if you're in the kitchen. And meez lets us input a quantity of an ingredient that we have, and it does all the math for us, leading to less issues with the final product.